I am here at Walmart waiting for my... Here's a guy coming. I don't know if that's my stuff. Nope. It's not. He's going the other direction. Yep. Okay. So anyway, I'm here and I'm waiting for my groceries.
Perfect. You said the name right too.
Awesome. Did you just want it all in the back?
Yes.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. So I can't say enough about the service I get here in the Walmart pickup. I've just always had, there's only been one time, and I vlogged about it when I had to wait, and even that time their general manager called to check on me. So I've just never had bad service here. So it just, because I have had bad service at other places, and I know friends who have too. And yeah, the service here in the Walmart pickup is always excellent. So yeah, and I don't know about where you guys are, but I've been able to get everything I need when I've just come here to get my stuff, you know. Now, it wasn't that, I mean, for a while there were some times when I was having a little trouble getting a couple things during when the whole pandemic thing, you know, was going on. But I mean, now, I keep seeing on the news that the shelves are, some of them are empty, and you know, there's certain things that people are having trouble finding, and prices are going up. And yeah, prices are going up, but just if I stick to my list and be smart, I mean, you know, of course I don't need baby formula. That's good, because I know that's been a problem, at least from what I hear on the news, not my own experience. So yeah, I'm not really having any trouble. And I asked him how things were, you know, there, if he noticed, you know, if they were well stocked, and he said, yeah, he's noticed the shelves were pretty well stocked. They didn't have any trouble. I had no substitutions this time. So, and I was really thrilled about that. When it comes to my coffee creamer, I always check off for my coffee creamer where it says, you know, accept substitutions. I always say, no, not on my coffee creamer. If you don't have the exact coffee creamer I want, just leave it out. I don't accept substitutions on that. But pretty much anything else I'm pretty flexible on, but I haven't really had to do that. I did get one makeup item today, and it was very inexpensive, and we'll see if they had that. According to, I think they did. I just thought I would try something new, so I'll tell you guys about that here when we get back to the house. I did just open up the bag of bones. I'm going to show you guys some treats, and I gave him a bone, and he's doing his happy dance. And there's my haul. I'm going to go through this very quickly. I'm not going to do prices, and if you guys want to see prices in my hauls in the future, just let me know. I'll be happy to do that. But you know, everything's available on the Walmart website. You can easily check prices on things, and if you shop Walmart, you probably know how much things are anyway. So we all know everything's more expensive now. There's my trusty sidekick, Roscoe. Are you going to help me today? Okay, let's do this. So I do have the air on in the background. It is hot, and I need the air conditioning just to be able to do this. So it's super, super hot. All right, I have fudgesicles here, not on the food plan. So if, yeah, not on the food plan, but for occasional treat. I'm trying to eat clean 80% of the time. 20% of the time I eat whatever I want. So that's my naughty little pleasure. And I got 2 of my sugar-free creamers. Yay, I'm so happy. I got John 1 because he does not drink as much coffee as me. I got 2 more of these Taylor Farms BLT chicken and bacon. These are so good, and John really likes having these in his lunch. I got some more of the spring mix. This is going to be for salads and for tacos and all kind, whatever, you know. But this is something I eat. I get this once a week, and this seems to be enough for John and me for the week. I got some more eggs, and they were a little bit limited on the eggs, but I did get the pasture, the Vital Farms. I've gotten these before. I really like these, the Happy Hens. And I will tell you that the eggs that they always give me, I haven't had one that's been cracked. They really do. Where I'm at, they do a great job of picking out my groceries. I bought some just generic Great Value Cool Whip because I like having this on hand. You just never know when you're going to need it, and I ran out, so I just wanted to have that in the fridge. And then I got some mushrooms just to go on our salads, and just in some like vegetable kind of dishes that I'll make, or maybe I'll add these to like a hamburger patty with mushrooms and beef broth. I like to do that. And I'm going to do something similar, but I'm going to be substituting the hamburger with the turkey. So that's what I'm doing with the, I'm going to do that with this week. This is going to be a hamburger patty using ground beef. I mean using ground turkey. And I just make it kind of like a Salisbury steak kind of deal and serve it over rice or something. So I did get some Italian hot sausage for that 20% of the time. And John, you know, John is on a different food plan, so God bless him. He's so supportive, but he needs his red meat and he needs his sausage, his hot sausage here. So what I'm going to do, and I'll see what he says, I'll let you guys know. I'm going to mix half of this sausage with ground turkey. I don't know what he's going to say about it. We'll find out, because I will share with you but that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to mix that, and that's going to be for spaghetti sauce. I mix that with my Classico spaghetti sauce, and I put that on noodles, and then for me, I put it over whole wheat toast. Still doing that. I like it so much. I don't even if I could get whole wheat pasta right now, I would still do the toast. I love it so much. Now I did buy 3 cans of the Swanson chicken breast, the white meat, and I still have some in my sub pantry, and I'm just buying them whenever I can, just to stock up. I did use a can last week, and again, I actually just used it, and I put it I just heated it up with a little bit of the Amy's mushroom soup that I had in my sub pantry, and I had it over whole wheat toast. So the macros were not bad at all. So did that, and let me just do the vegetables real quick. Finish this. I did get some blackberries. Love those. I bought them last week. They were so good. I bought more. I bought some more of these little mini cucumbers. Love those. I bought some shredded lettuce, iceberg lettuce. Not the healthiest, not on the food plan. You know, like usually we try to eat spinach or the, you know, like the spring mix. But like the baby greens, but for tacos I like the shredded. It's just the texture of it. So I did get some of that, and I got some of the grape tomatoes. Or no, these are strawberries. Somewhere around here are grape tomatoes. I'm not seeing them. Oh, right here. Grape tomatoes. I got grape tomatoes. That's going to be for salads. And the strawberries, I bought these last week. They were so good, I bought them again. The strawberries at Walmart, I was a little hesitant, but oh, they were good. So I'm excited. I bought a couple of the bigger beef steak tomatoes to slice up for like turkey sandwiches or something like that. I bought some carrot chips. I have not bought carrots like this in forever, and I always want to try to have more carrots and vegetables and, you know, what have you. And I like the carrot chips, and I just decided I'm going to go for it this time and get some. I like to snack on them, and you can dip them in dip, or I even add them to a salad, or place them on top of, like I'll make rice, and I'll just put a couple on top of the rice. I just like them. I did get a couple of my home-style chicken noodle soup. I got some of the reduced sodium black beans, the Bush's can, and I got a couple cans of that. I got some pinto beans. Now these are going to be for Chipotle bowl, and I'm going to actually make that tonight. So I get a can of pinto beans, a can of black beans, I put a can of each on, mix it with rice, and I mix it with lettuce and sour cream and shredded chicken. I'm making a chicken rice bowl, so that's what I'll be doing with that tonight. That's going to be dinner. And then I did get some Dole pineapple chunks. This is to mix with my yogurt and just to have my little fruit medley with Greek yogurt and different fruits in it. That's for a snack. It's really good. And I got 2 cans of that. I got a couple of sweet potatoes, and those are just to cook, like bake them, add a little butter to them, and I'll be doing that. And then I did get a couple more avocado. We ate the 2 that I bought last week, and I did put them with the bananas. I talked about that last week. I just placed them sort of like in the fruit bowl, and I just put them together like this. And I'll tell you what, they ripened perfectly. So yeah, give it a try, guys. Let me know what you think. And then and the avocados were really good. And I know some of you have said that you had trouble finding avocados that weren't brown in the middle. I've had really good luck with the Walmart avocados. These were really nice. I did vlog about that, and if you watched that vlog, you saw me cutting up the avocado. It was really good. And I did get some of the Carb Balance whole wheat soft tacos, just because these are super soft and they're a little smaller, and we'll be using those for like a turkey wrap. That's my plan for that. That's a lunch thing. I will spread a little bit of the holy guacamole that I have already. I bought that last week. Or you could just mash up an avocado. I use that. I spread that on the whole wheat, the tortilla, and then I put some sliced turkey, which I already have, in there with some lettuce, and that's how I do that. And then for my hamburger patty with the turkey, when I make that up, if I have a hamburger using a turkey patty, I will wrap that in some iceberg lettuce. So I do have a head of iceberg lettuce in my refrigerator. If it's still good, it tends to last longer than this lettuce here. So I do use that instead of bread to make sometimes a sandwich, and so I'll be doing some of that. I did get some more of the potatoes. I did have some potatoes. The other night I vlogged, I showed you guys our broccoli and our fish, and I did have potatoes. I'm trying not to have too many of those, but I did have some. They're good, and John loves them, so I always want to stay stocked up. I got some more Gala apples, and I got some more of these, the elderberry emergency. I take these every single day. I love these. They taste good, and they're supposed to be good for us. So I'm doing that. And here's the bones I got for Roscoe, the dream bones. So yeah, I did open them, and I gave him one, and he was very happy. Here's the makeup item. This was $5, and I just wanted to try this. It's the Prism Play, and it's let's see if I can turn this. It's the Prism Play eye stick. Now, I didn't want to buy an expensive one. I've never used one of these before. I've used like an eyeliner, but I've never used an eyeshadow stick. So I thought I would get one like this, and it's a very neutral color, and just see, because I don't like to do a lot of stuff with makeup, but I have a hard time with eyeshadow. I just always have trouble putting it on. I'm just not savvy with all the makeup stuff. So I just thought I would try this and see how or not. But the plums I got last week, I put them in the fridge. And honestly, I just had one, and they're pretty firm still. So I should have just put them, really you're supposed to put them with other fruits. That helps them to ripen. And you can put them in a brown bag to make them ripen quicker. I'm just going to put them out here at room temperature, and I'll probably eat that tomorrow or the next day. So yeah, the plum, it tastes good, but it just, I don't know why I stuck it in the fridge, but that's what I did. So this is dinner. We have our whole grain rice there. We've got pinto beans, lettuce, black beans, chicken, salsa, sour cream, and I'm going to chop up an avocado. We have tomato there. So that's dinner. What you think, John?
Looks delicious.
And some cheese. All right. Well, thank you so much for watching today. I hope that you're doing well. Take good care. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.